Hey, welcome back. Doing another unboxing. This time it's college football. Never done it, to be honest. I don't know what I'm looking for. I just hope something good, you know. I'm pretty sure you guys know more about it than I do. But everything will be listed on my eBay page, or at least the hits are. Base will probably just be given out whenever you buy a purchase of any of the cards from my eBay page. I'll have it listed below, but let's see what's in here. Hopefully we get something nice. Everyone likes to watch. I do. I go around and watch people open stuff all the time. It's like gambling, but without your money. But this time, you guys are watching me gamble with mine. So each pack has 4 cards, and I believe it's 24 packs, which is kind of a lot. Might take a while, but hopefully you guys stick around and watch it all. We'll keep that there for now. Let's see how this goes. I don't know what to expect. I don't know how many numbers there are or anything like specific, but here we go. It's a nice little design. And I'm not even going to try to do the names because I don't want to get them wrong. Oh, wow. Our auto off the rip. I didn't even get to sweat it. 7 out of 25 for Alabama. Let me sleeve him up real quick. Like I said, I'm not going to try to pronounce their names just because I don't want to. Rather not try and do it and be completely wrong. But there's our auto. So I don't know what more excitement could come out of there, but out of 25 is crazy. We'll see what else happens here. Oh, okay. Ooh, I like that. I'm assuming it's an insert or is it a throwback? Someone let me know. Still gonna sleeve it though. And let me know which ones I should have been sleeving. Like who are the better rookies or better players. I seriously don't watch college football. But I just thought I'd open it for you guys so you guys have to get to watch it. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. From Maryland. That's a nice card. What's y'all's favorite colored parallel? For me, I don't know. It just depends on the set, but anything blue, to be honest, is my favorite. It's usually like the higher numbered ones, so. Ohio State, Texas. I'm assuming this is a prism, or not a prism. That's Panini. I'm tripping. I don't know. See, I don't even, because I'm so used to football being for that instead of the tops, so it's kind of confusing. Let's see what we got here. Georgia. Look at that. Rumbling man. For LSU. It's a cool insert. Almost looks like a mirror. But yeah, I'm just starting out with this eBay page, so I'm just trying to get people to look at my page. Hopefully you guys enjoy what I have. Texas, Auburn, Wisconsin, and Arizona. And do people chase every player, certain players? Like, is it only like quarterbacks and running backs? Here we go. Auburn again. Iowa State and Georgia. Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting a good set, like a good box, or it's a normal box. Look at this one. Sheesh. I don't know if that's good, but it looks cool. for LSU. Let's see. You gotta sleeve him up. Look at that. Like I said, I'm not pronouncing nobody's name. No one's getting it wrong. Sorry. LSU again. Is that him? That is him. Look at that. Campus icons. Oh, I'm sorry. Campus icons. For Florida State. So far, I like every insert that's been in here. I guess because I'm not used to the set. Maybe y'all think it's boring if y'all check this out every time it drops. I don't even know how big the set is, to be honest. Look at that one. Path to Glory. I don't think it's numbered, but that's kind of cool. The schedule. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying y'all's holiday times. I'm trying to. Trying to get through it, through this year, see how next year's going to treat us. Got Kansas, Marshall, Texas again, Colorado. I wonder who everyone watches in college. Like, is it based on where you live, or is it who do you think is the best player? Like, do you guys chase players? Either way, this is kind of fun. Look at that. So let me know if I'm missing something, if I'm not doing it right, or if I'm missing all the good players, because, like, to be honest, I don't know. I'm assuming the good players are in inserts. I just wish I would have read up on it before, but look at that. Michigan. Another one. Campus icons. Who is this for? Penn State. I like the mascot on there. Fresno State. I'm gonna run out of room. I guess I'll send them there for now. Cause like I said, I don't know what's a better hit in this. Another Michigan, Utah, Miami. Is that numbered? It is not numbered. I don't see it. I do not see it, but it looks nice. Looks nice, chat. Big boy's favorite color is red. He loves anything red, so it sucks that he hasn't seen anything. He's the one that sponsors the videos, by the way. Him and his company. Here we go. Texas. Bama again. Look at that one. Sheesh. I'm assuming it's not numbered. No, but it's cool. I'm just a baseball. That's my thing. Baseball is my favorite to open. Let's see. Do they have? Oh, speaking about it, there's a refractor right there for Ohio State. It doesn't say when it's refractor. Yeah, it says it right there. It says it right there. But you could obviously tell by just looking at it that it's not a regular card. I'm just send them right there for now. I don't know how many of y'all actually bought a case or a box or went into a break of this. Because I haven't seen many breaks of this stuff. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one, chat. Besides that print, like that line, you see it? Well, it goes across too. I don't know if it's meant to look like that, but this one is 40 out of 275, chat. I'll be listing these up, the numbered and then maybe the inserts, because like I said, I'm not sure what everything is worth. So everything should be starting off at $1. You guys just go check it out. Look at that one. Like I said, I like this insert a lot. There's a lot going on. Boise State. So far, we haven't got another path of glory. We got to double everything else. I don't know what the case hits are. Ooh, back-to-back Ohio State. Oklahoma. Oh, it's a refractor. I almost missed it. No, I almost missed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. I don't know how to post this stuff. Oh, look, another path to glory for Michigan State. And then Memphis right behind them. I like the way these cards look so cool. Kind of want to put them up here. Oh, there's no room. There's no room, chat. I wonder if it's gonna be another big hit, like if they give out more than one auto. Not even sure. Kansas State, James Madison. Look at that one, Purdue. I wonder why that one's blue and this one's yellow, like the other one. You know? I wonder how it works. And if that one's numbered or something. I didn't even check to see if that one's numbered. Georgia, Michigan, a refractor, and Texas. And I wonder why they don't do like a paper version of this. It's always chrome. Like, do people just not chase it as much, or is it just easier for them to do one drop for this for the college? Oh, and we got another auto for Stanford, quarterback. That's crazy, chat. And LSU behind him. I did not think we were gonna get two autos. I'll move you for a second. Like I said, I'm not familiar with this, but we got two autos. That's nice. Wonder if there's a third one. Give us a third one, chat. Ooh, there's a blue. Sweat it a little bit. Louisville, University of California. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's numbered. At a 99, 199. Sorry. First Bowman, Florida. I like this one. It's probably my favorite, just because the color of blue is so nice. There we go. That's it, chat. Let's see. Let's get the numbered and the cool looking ones out of the way. And the autos. I'll put these all up here so you guys could check it out. Like I said, these should be posted on my eBay page if you guys are interested. Oh, I should put this one down because these are just refractors. So then we got very first pack auto at a 25 running or wide receiver. No stats on the back. That's kind of crazy. I thought they would have put some, but it's orange. Too bad it's not a color match. Then we got non-numbered auto, quarterback out of Stanford. Then we got numbered 375 for Maryland. Oh, sorry. First Bowman. These are all first Bowman, except for this guy. Wonder why this is not numbered. Let me know in the comments why it's not numbered. And then we got Florida in here. The Gators at a 199. Wide receiver. Then we got a running back. 275 for University of Oklahoma. But yeah, hope you appreciate the video. You don't have to like or subscribe, but if you do want to watch more videos, I will be posting more. Appreciate it.